guys, welcome back to another episode of Dessert Time. I'm Trinity, and today we're going to make a patriotic pie that looks like a flag for this 4th of July. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I release a new video. Let's get started. I like to call this recipe homemade or semi-homemade because we're going to use some pre-packaged ingredients from the store and put that in our recipe. So first things first, we are going to start with our crust. That requires some muffin mix and some butter. Now I will put the recipe and the measurements all down below in the description box. Our first step is to take a pastry blender and we're going to cut in the butter to our muffin mix. The second step for our pie crust is we're going to take it and pour it out on this pan, which I have lined with non-stick aluminum foil. And we're going to carefully, evenly distribute it across this pan. Then we're going to pop this in the oven at 400 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now you want to watch it because you don't want it to burn, you just want it to be golden. Then we're going to take it out, we're going to let it cool for a sec. While our crust cools, we're going to spray our casserole dish with some cooking spray, and this will help prevent the crust from sticking to the pan and causing a messy cleanup. Now that our crust is cool, we are going to take some of the crust and we are going to layer it on the bottom. When picking your crumbs, you want to save the best for the topping. So you're going to use the rest for the bottom, and you're only going to save about half for the topping. After we press down our crust, what we're going to do is we're going to add in our filling. So our filling is some vanilla ice cream, and so we have some bluebell, and we're going to use an ice cream scooper, and we're going to plop vanilla ice cream all over the crust, and then we're going to add a second layer. The second layer is when we can start smoothing it out, otherwise it'll mess up our crust. And now it's time to decorate. Our first step is to take the leftover crumbs and we are going to lightly sprinkle it on top of our filling. And you want to make sure it's a light coating. Then we're going to take our blueberries and make the blue square on the flag, and you're going to carefully outline it and then fill it in. And then last but not least, we have our red stripes. Now, there are 13 stripes total, and 7 of them are red and 6 of them are white. Our white is going to be our cookie crumbs, and our red is going to be our strawberries. Ta-da! Here is our finished Patriotic Ice Cream Pie. Thank you for making this with me today. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and maybe leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to tune in next month for my new video, Cruella. Hope you have a great 4th. Bye, everybody.